Yes, Massive Room crew back once again with another video and continuing again the Amiga Diaries series, and at the end of this I'm going to show you the mod for TUFF aka Sensi-Tip that was out on the Big City Records back in the day. Managed to get the files all sorted and decided to record the mod because you know, we're probably not going to see that mod running again for a while, and it's a good opportunity just to make a video recording of it all. And also what I want you guys to do as well is comment down below if you want to see more mods as well, me uploading more mods so that you can see them on the screen, the old retro Amiga mods. I've also got some 950 videos coming your way, lots more tutorials, just getting the lockdown footage out of the way of archiving the songs, and then we're going to move forward. Also we've got the remix competition, we've got the new Dub Plate Wars feature, just finished the winning t-shirts for that, also a little bit of merchandise for that, guys. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and don't forget guys, if you guys want to take part in this week's Amen Therapy Dub Plate Wars, please send me your tunes to thebusybscience@gmail.com to be featured on there, and also to be featured on the show anyway, because I do select a handful of tunes randomly that I feel would be great for the Dub Plate Wars competition, a chance to win a Dub Plate Wars champion t-shirt. Big up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Boy man, some tunes are coming out the closet now, man. If I ever find Murder Style, that would be just crazy. But you know what, one tune I know we'll never ever be able to put back again. Well, not never, but like, we wouldn't be able to replicate it fully without modern day tech. You know, on the 2 Dope EP, Come Down, with the tune we did with Pesce.
Oh yeah.
Because you remember that, when he walked in with that big flipping piano sample that was about 3/4 chunk of this track, and remember how we got that working? I couldn't even remember how the Love No Life we set that up, but do you remember we had the R8 reel machine?
Yeah.
And we used to set that up with SimT.
That was some long thing, man.
You know what I mean? And that used to play alongside with the MIDI and come on when it was triggered. Do you remember? And rewind when the tune was taken back and all them thing there, man. SimT was mad, man.
Didn't you put that on? Didn't you put the piano thing on that?
Nah, remember we put that in, we sampled that into the. Actually, you know what? How did that work? I can't remember. I think we put it in the sampler, but then we run out of sample time, and then we had to dump it onto the SimT, onto the reel to reel. I think that's how we did it. And that's how we was able to finish the track with the reel to reel. It was nuts how we used to do that, man.
Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, no respect. Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, no respect. Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, risla. Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, risla. Ecstasy, 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 ecstasy. No respect. Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, bonitina risla. Me a me partner, me a teacher, me smoke sense me ya, bonitina risla. Ecstasy, ecstasy. Ecstasy, ecstasy. No respect.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. Please like, share and subscribe if you're into Amiga, Akai tutorials and making all kinds of retro style junglist music. Take care, God bless, peace.